Hi, Bio11A. I'm Carol Hoffman, and I thought I'd just give you a hello. I've let a few days go by so that you get settled in, but I've seen those assignments coming in already on some phenomenal living thing, and I am so impressed. Uh, you've been to the most amazing places and traveled a lot and seen the coolest organisms and plants and insects and all sorts of cool things. So that's been really fun. And the lab for this week, I see the Bumblebee lab is already coming in. So I think we're doing really well. I think you've got where you have to be. Every week I'll put in a little video of hello on Monday to make sure you know what's going on there and know that I'm still alive on this end, and sort of comment on what happened during the week, what needs to be fixed, what is going well, and all that good stuff. But first week is always crazy, and I think it's gone pretty well this time. So just keep at it. Let me know if you do have questions. I've gotten back to all my emails, and I think we're doing really well. So welcome to Bio11A. It's a really fun journey, and we've got 16 weeks together. It's going to be a good one. Okay, guys, take care.